What's up, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, are you a teenager just getting out of school for the summer and looking for a job to make extra money? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 ways you can make money online as a teenager. So stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 ways you can make money online as a teenager. Now, if you're new to my channel, I make videos that will help entrepreneurs make money on the internet, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. So please subscribe today and give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm talking about today. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped on my channel. Now, are you really serious about making money online? If you are, I can show you how with my online course. And the name of the course is called How to Make Money Creating Apps Without Coding. In this course, I show you step by step how you can make apps without any coding whatsoever, and also show you how you can market your app so you can make a monthly income like this, basically on autopilot. So please check out my course today. Just click on the link below. Again, it's called How to Make Money Creating Apps Without Coding online course. Now, before I get into this, please watch this video to the very end so you'll know all the methods that you can use to start making money online as a teenager. Without further ado, let's go to this list that I'm about to give you. Now, the first one that you can start, the first online business, if you want to call it a business or a method, is editing videos. So the way you're going to do this is you're going to download, you probably already have it on your computer, some editing software, and you can use some free editing software. It's on Mac, it's called iMovie, and on Windows it's called Windows Movie Maker. So what you do is very easy to learn these editing softwares. Very easy. So once you kind of play around with it, make some testing videos, do some editing to it, learn how to edit, then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to this website called Fiverr.com. So you're going to go to Fiverr, open up an account there, and what you're going to do is the test videos that you made with the editor, you're going to put that on there as kind of like showing your customers what you can do. Because on this site, once you make your page, they allow you to put up little images or whatever your niche is, or whatever you're doing, or whatever service you're trying to sell. They allow you to put these images of some of your work, samples of your work. So when your customers check it out, they'll know what they're buying. So what you're gonna do, open up an account on Fiverr, put some sample videos on there that you just played around with, and you're going to charge $5 to $10 to edit videos. So that's the first method. Now, the second method you're going to use is flipping phones. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to go on eBay, buy some cheap phones. Now this, you're going to have some little money. So if you have money saved up, or money that you made, money that your parents gave you, or money that that you got from doing other little things on the side or whatnot while you was in school, use that money, buy some cheap phones, and resell them on Amazon, because the items on Amazon are a little bit higher than eBay. But it's other websites you can go to buy cheap phones and flip them on Amazon. So that's the second way that you can do. Now, here's the third method you can use. The third method is social media posting. Now, what you're going to do is go to Instagram. What you need to do is hit up businesses. So it's a lot of businesses that are on Instagram. Hit up these businesses and look for ones that haven't been posting that much. So once you hit them in a DM, ask them, I see that you don't post on your Instagram page that much, on your account that much. I can post for you. So once you do that, if they agree, what you're going to use to post pictures and make them look real professional is you're going to use this, or go to this website, or you can use their app called Canva. So you can go to canva.com, and you can make pictures for free, make images for free, and make them look very professional. So once you go there, put a picture together, and you can start posting on these businesses' Instagram page. And I don't know the actual going rate to do something like this, so you can just Google that, and can Google social media posting, and you can put on there the rates for social media posting, and they give you some rates, and then you just go from there and come up with your own rate that you feel that's feasible to charge these businesses on Instagram. So that's the 3 methods you can use. Now I'm going to give you one more method that you can use, or one more business idea you can use to start making some extra money. This has nothing to do online. This is a bonus I'm giving to you guys. You can wash cars and detail cars. And you don't need to have a car wash. You don't need to have a place. What you can do is go on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or whatever social network site you're on in your area. And also you can go ahead and go on Craigslist. And what you're going to do is say, hey, I'll come to your house and wash your car for X amount of dollars. You can say also, I will detail your car for X amount of dollars. So you can do that. Or you can do this, you can go to a business and ask them, can I use your parking lot to wash cars? I will give you a percentage of the money I make from washing the cars. A lot of people do that too. So you can do both of those things. So that's it, the 3 ways, or the 3 methods you can use to make money online as a teenager, and also a method you can use that's not online, that's offline, that you can use and make money as a teenager. So that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching this to the very end. Now I have something special that I'm gonna give to you guys that watched this all the way to this point. What I'm gonna do is give away free money. So what I'm trying to do is get to 1,000 subscribers. Right now I'm at 211. So once I get to my next milestone, which is 300, I'm gonna give a lucky person $20, or I might give them $20 Amazon gift card. So The way I'm going to do this is you have to comment down in the video below. So in this video and any other videos going forward into the future that I have on my channel, once I hit 300 subscribers, I'm announce in that video this person is the winner, and I'm gonna put down my email address, and you're gonna email me your PayPal address, email address that you use for PayPal, and I'll send you the $20 if you want the $20. Now, if you want the gift card, I will ask you for your email address, and I'll just email you the gift card through email. So help me get to 300 subscribers so I can give out this free money. Now, that's all I have for today. Please, again, subscribe to this channel. Like this video if you like what I'm talking about today. Drop a comment. Share this with your friends and family. Also share this on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped on my channel. Now, that's all I have, but you don't have to leave right now. You can go ahead and watch this next video right here. And this video is about how you can earn $1 to $10 with just one click. So go check it out. All right. Thank you, and make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. What's up, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to make $1 to $10 with one click?